Alright, YouTube, I'm going to show you something cool. You know that song by Justin Timberlake, Can't Stop the Feeling? And it's got the piano part. That is super easy, but it's got a side chain sort of ducking set up on it. So you could bring a laptop, you could play a sample, or you could set up a VST, side chain pumping thing to do it, or you could go to the trouble of spending a lot of money and doing a lot of time programming it for the one song. But hey, it sounds pretty good, I'm thinking. I'm gonna play this for you. I'm gonna hold the freaking phone in my chin. Hang on. Alright. How do you do this? Oh. Wait, hang on. Okay, watch this. Watch this, you freaking. Now you gotta hear it, the bass, but I only have two hands. Hang on. Try holding it in my chin. Got this feeling in my. So you hear that pumping? You hear that pumping? So what you do, this is if you take a nice keyboard, whatever, and send the sound out to your looper. I've already done this. I've made a 4-beat pattern. It's just dum, 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 dum. It's just a kick drum in there. Dum, dum, dum. You're not hearing that kick drum, but that kick drum is going out to this. Was called a really nice limiter. That's the brand, RNC1773. So you're going into that with your frickin', I don't know, and it goes out the side chain. So what I've got is a 2/4 inch to one tip ring sleeve. That's the side chain input. How do I show you this? Side chain, all right? And then you put your keyboard in and out, all right? In and out like normal. All right, now the settings, I've got, you see it pumping already. The threshold is way down there, 20 something. The ratio is, whatever the fuck that is, FMR audio. Attack, fairly fast attack. I had it at really fast, and I like this better at 2.0. The release is 0.4, and the gain, well, you should probably have it at 0, but I think it sounds really freaking good. All right, try this. YouTube, somebody make me YouTube famous. Fuck, try it again. You sort of have to, when you play it, you have to really stay to that click, because you don't want to play it too soon or it catches it late, and you don't want to play it too late. So you gotta really almost let the red bar suck the volume down a bit and then hit the note. Just a millisecond. I don't know how to hold this here. Hang on. Here, you can kind of see me like that, I think. Okay, hang on. Can you see me? There you go. Boom. You're welcome, Internet. You got that? your piano, looper, and this guy came in really handy for this. All right, enjoy.